Hello friends, welcome to another video tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you how you can create delivery options and a brand in the SafeCart multi-vendor platform systems. Let's jump into the admin panel. Scroll down, go to Attribute Manage, click on Delivery Options. Here you will see list of delivery options already created in the platform. To create any new delivery option, you have to give a name. Let's give a subtitle. This is a subtitle. Select an icon. Let's select this one. Click on Add New. As you can see, this is added. So this is how actually you can create the delivery options for the product. These are required when you are going to create any product in the platform. So let's back to the Attributes Manage. Click on Brand Manage. In the Brand Manage page, you will see list of brands which are already added in the platform. So to create any new brand, click on Add New Brand Manage. Give brand a name, give it a title, give a brand description. You need to add any logo here. Let me select a logo. Need to add any banner. Now click on Add New. Scroll down. Go to second page. This is added. This is actually how you can add brands and delivery option in the SafeCart. These two options are required when you are going to create any product in the platform. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.